from class 8 competency. Today I am here for mastering the concept and my subject is English grammar and my topic is adverb. So let's start. Subject, English grammar. What is my subject?
English grammar.
Topic, adverbs. What is my topic?
Adverbs.
Now, adverbs. An adverb is a group of words that modify verb, adjective, and another adverb. Adverb is a group of words that modifies verb, adjectives, and another adverb. For example, she speaks politely. Here politely is an adverb. Now types of adverb. First is adverbs of manner. First is second is adverb of place. Second is third is adverb of time. Third is fourth is adverb That shows how often something happens. That shows
How often something happens.
For example, you often come late. So here often is an adverb of
Frequency.
Now last is interrogative adverb. That an adverb that asks questions are known as
Interrogative adverbs.
For example, where are you going? So this is an example of interrogative adverb. Now it's time to ask questions. Seven, stand up. Define interrogative adverb.
Adverbs which are used to ask question are known as interrogative adverb. For example, what is your name? What is interrogative adverb?
Sit down. Stand up. Define adverb.
An adverb is a word that modifies a verb and adjective or another adverb. For example, he sings sweetly.
Sit down.